I recently had this problem with my Tokyo Marui Glock 17 Gen 3 where it has this issue, a slow return to battery. And what I suspect is the issue is if you look into the nozzle, that nozzle is supposed to retract, right? And I can push it back with my finger, and then now it returns to battery successfully. So we're gonna take it apart and clean it and service it, and hopefully we fix the problem. So to start, you always want to show clear. So check to make sure nothing in the chamber, make sure there's no magazine, and then take down. Two halves come apart. The lower, but we can put that to the side as well. Take apart the recoil guide spring, and then the barrel and outer barrel assembly. You can already see this nozzle sticking up. So you can set these to the side as well. Now you're left with the slide and the blowback unit. So we take our little screwdriver kit. Remove this screw right here. Lefty loosey. Keep your screw in a safe place. So once you have it apart, you pull up on both sides and it should come straight out. Set the slide to the side. When you're taking it out, you want to make sure you don't lose this nozzle return spring. You don't want to lose that. Put that to the side. And you're left with the blowback unit. I'm going to clean this up. You can use something lint-free. You can use a paper towel. Clean out all the junk here. Right now it's just a matter of getting that nozzle to return properly. I'm going to put a tiny bit of silicone oil to lube up the O-ring here inside the nozzle. Mainly it's this guy right here. And you can use your fingers, spread it around on the top side as well. And then work the bolt back and forth. The blowback unit does not need to be lubed, just the inside. Now I can put this back together. First reassemble the nozzle return spring. Goes in onto the left channel. Only goes in one side fully. Make sure it's fully seated like that. Then you reseat the blowback unit just like we did when we took it apart. Grip it from the front and the back. Place it straight into the slide until it clicks. Take your screw for the blowback unit. Put it back on. Reassemble the barrel and outer barrel assembly. And with the guide rod as well. For the frame, I'm just going to give it a quick clean. Okay, so that looks good. We're going to take our 4-quantum lube. You only need a little tiny bit. It has this nice brush and an applicator. Turn it until you see the grease coming up at the top. And just lightly grease the frame rails. Like so. Just on the friction areas. So that all looks good. Now it's time to reassemble. The original problem where it was just sticking completely back has resolved. So we're gonna test fire. Make sure there's no BBs. Make sure you're firing in a safe direction. Functions good. Unload, make sure your gun is clear. That's how you resolve a slow return to battery issue on your Tokyo Marui Glock 17 Airsoft pistol. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.